If your computer is running slow because of high memory usage, don't worry. In this video, I will show you quick and easy steps to lower your memory use and make your PC faster. First, click the Start menu, type Task Manager, and open it. Inside Task Manager, click the CPU column to see which apps use the most power. Right-click any app you don't need right now and select End Task. Close all the extra programs you are not using. Next, open the Start menu, type Run, click it and type Misconfig. Hit Enter. Go to the Services tab. Click Hide all Microsoft services, then click Disable all and hit Apply. Now go to the Startup tab and click Open Task Manager. Under the Startup Apps tab, turn off any apps you don't need when you start a computer. Close everything and press OK on System Configuration. Defragment your drive. Open the Start menu, type Defragment, click Defragment and Optimize drives. Select your C drive, click Optimize and wait a few seconds. This helps your computer run smoother. Stop unneeded services. For that, open Run, type services.msc, hit Enter, look for a service called SYS main, double click it, click Stop, change startup type to disabled, then hit Apply and OK. Use High Performance Power Plan. Open Run, type powercfg.cpl, hit Enter, and choose High Performance as your power plan. Run Disk Cleanup. Open Start menu, type Disk Cleanup, and run it. It will calculate how much space you can clean up. Select the files you don't need and press OK. Lastly, delete temporary files. Open Run, type temp, hit Enter. Press Ctrl A to select everything inside a folder, then right-click and delete them. If some files can't be deleted, skip them. It's fine. Now restart your computer to apply all the changes. This would really help lower high memory usage and make your PC faster. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.